Let's do a nighttime pump together. It is currently 2 in the morning. This is gonna be my last pump for the night. I haven't pumped for about like 4 hours. See, I am finally back home and I'm happy, but of course at the same time I'm very sad. Even my uncle was so sad, honestly. Like, I was crying so much. And just leaving my country in general because I had so much fun over there. But I'm happy to be back home. And one of the things that I missed the most as an exclusive pumper was, of course, my Mom Cozy bottle washer and my NCVI dryer, because I use both of them. I use the bottle washer to wash my pump parts and the NCVI to dry them and sterilize them. But I just feel like the NCVI just dries my pump parts better. Like, it leaves it like crispy dry, especially like the little small pump parts like the valves and then the diaphragms and all of that. And like, I know the Mom Cozy does it too. Do this pump together and let's see how many ounces I get. 30-minute pump session. So let's pour this milk out like 6 ounces, and I am gonna hand express off camera just to completely empty my breast. But good night, besties.